Meaning of desperate.
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 Desperate. Desperate means feeling or showing a sense of despair, hopelessness, or extreme need or desire. When someone is desperate, they may take extreme actions or make risky decisions in order to achieve their goals or solve their problems. Desperate people may be willing to do anything to improve their situation, even if it means breaking the law or hurting others. The feeling of desperation can be overwhelming and lead to irrational thinking and behavior. In short, desperation often results in a sense of urgency and a willingness to take drastic measures to obtain what one desires.